Good day, community. Our character trait for today is diligence. What's the meaning of diligence? Diligence means to do a good job and continue until it's done. Like saying, yay, I was careful and thorough, and I even had fun. Where can you find this character trait? The character trait is found in Proverbs chapter 10 verse 4. Diligent hands that work hard make you rich. This character trait is shown in the story when God made the world. Now let me tell you the story. In the beginning, nothing existed except God. There's no shining sun, no cuddly animals, no sweet-smelling flowers. There were not even people like you and me. So God decided to make the world and fill it with beautiful plants, the most interesting animals, and two amazing people. All done, God said. I like the way it came out, and now it's ready to be enjoyed. When we look at everything from the tallest mountain to the tiniest ant, it is simply amazing to think about how God was so diligent in every detail. That's the end of our story. Again, the character trait for today is diligence. Have a wonderful day. Shalom!